Hello, hello. Thanks for coming back and watching my soap videos. Today I'm going to try something a little bit different. I'm going to try to talk less. So that way, hopefully, I can cut down on the length of my videos. They have been very long. So today I am making my white tea and ginger soap using the same recipe that I used last time with canola oil. And this time I'm using just plain distilled water instead of my aloe juice. So let's get soaping. Alrighty, so that's all in there. I'm just going to reposition my camera a little bit so that way we can do the top. All right, so here we go for the top. I'm just gonna do a figure 8 swirl, so we'll see how that turns out. I always have trouble with these. I can't figure out how to get my, like, it's pretty simple. It's a figure 8. Not too bad. Maybe, see, I can never figure it out. All right, so that looks pretty cool. I think I'm going to sprinkle some of the jojoba beads. So these are inside as well. So I think I'm going to sprinkle some on top. They're kind of hard to see. So yeah, I think I'm going to stick with just some. You can obviously see them better on the gold part. All right, that's it. This fragrance smells really good. It smells like a really good tea. So I'm not going to do too terribly much. I think the inside should speak for itself. The smell should speak for itself. So here we go. My white tea and ginger with jojoba beads. Hello, I am back. I got my white tea and ginger soap here. You can see on the top there's a little bit of soda ash, and I moved it after it had already started to set up, so that's what those wrinkles are. Not a big deal, just a little bit of a cosmetic flaw, but I'm really excited to cut into this. The side here looks very promising. So let's see. So I actually am cutting this about 16 to 18 hours after it was made. I checked on it this morning. It's very firm. So I wanted to get it cut before. Oh, that is so pretty. Yeah, I wanted to get it cut before it got too hard. Oh no, I picked up a sparkle from somewhere. Oops. Oh, this piece is going to be a little crooked. I love how it turned out. I haven't done a piece that hasn't had purple or pink in it. This is my first. No, maybe I'm lying. I do have a couple green and orange soaps with no purple and pink, but this is the first soap that I've done quite like this. And I love it. I need to start doing more stuff like this. I love the drop swirls. And I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but there is some sparkle in the white. Lots of bubbles too. Lots of air bubbles. That's not a big deal. That's just another cosmetic flaw. That's what you get when you get handmade soap. You get soda ash and air bubbles. I am loving this. I am thrilled with how the swirls turned out. The jojoba beads on top actually look pretty neat with the contrast of the soda ash. So I'm kind of glad I sprinkled a little bit on top. Because look. Oh, don't mind that big wrinkle. Alrighty, well, thank you for watching. I will get these stamped. I'm probably going to plane maybe just these top edges to get rid of that little, you see it, the little spikes. They look like they have ears. So I'll probably just plane those edges, but then leave these edges as is. Thanks for watching.